Hi, I'm Chris from the Westbury Library Tech Department, and today I'm here to talk about Zoom. Zoom is the video conferencing software that the Westbury Library will be using to host virtual programs for the foreseeable future, and today I'm here to make it a little bit easier to navigate. So, for starters, to sign up for a program for the Westbury Library, you're going to click on the reserve or register link on the Westbury Library website for the program that you'd like to attend. Once you've signed up for this program, you are going to get a confirmation email back from the Westbury Library. And in that confirmation email, you will receive details on the date, time, and information on the program. Along with this, you will also receive the meeting ID. The meeting ID is very important for the day of the program, because what you're going to do with this meeting ID is, on the day of the program, you're going to copy the meeting ID, then go on to Zoom, which should be a pre-installed app or installed by yourself on your computer, and you're going to click Join. Once you click Join, you're going to enter the meeting ID via paste or by just writing in the numbers, then Join. Once you've joined the meeting, you will be put in a waiting room, which you will now wait for whoever is the host of the meeting to allow you in. While here, you can test your computer audio and video for the meeting. So for me right now, I can pick exactly which output I want, my microphone, and everything, so that way I'm squared away to go once this meeting starts. So once you've been allowed into the meeting, you can now use a few of the Zoom controls to help make things a little bit easier. During most presentations, they may have the mic muted, and to mute the mic, all you have to do is click on the microphone button and it will mute the mic for the actual meeting. And to unmute it, just click it again, and now you'll be able to talk. Likewise with video, by clicking on the video button, you can turn video off or turn video on. Along with this, you can also turn on and off the chat box for you. The chat function is used to talk with both the presenter and other members of the meeting, and you can actually pick and choose exactly who you want to send it to. Unfortunately, since I'm the only one in this meeting, it only shows everyone, which is all the people or the participants, which are just me. But in other situations or programs that the library will host, it'll give you the option to send it to just individual people as well by clicking on the To button. So once the meeting has concluded or you have planned to leave the meeting, to leave it, all you have to do is click on the End button and click on Leave Meeting. For me right now, I only have both options because of the fact that I'm the host, but on future meetings that the library will host, you will see the Leave Meeting option once you click End. Once you've left the meeting, if you ever have a reason to want to join back, or if you left on accident, you can join back by just re-entering the meeting ID or personal link again, and then waiting for the host to add you back to the meeting, and there you'll be back in the meeting again. We at the Westbury Library hope that this helped to make joining our programs much easier and look forward to seeing you at all of our future programs.